सर जरा क्लोज आ जाइए ना, क्लोज क्लोज हो, क्लोज थोड़े जवळ जवळ हो.
अरे हाँ, ये परफेक्ट लाइट कौन चालू किया? क्या चालू किया? सर चालू किया था?
सेंटर लोग
पीछे का दिखना चाहिए.
सर सेंटर ला इकडे थोडं आणखी आणखी थोडं. हां बस.
पोस्टर देख लो कितना बड़ा है.
हां थैंक यू. कम क्लोज. सर साइड इधर आ जाइए, ये साइड में थोड़ा थोड़ा. डन. थैंक यू.
She is our main brand ambassador, and she will say whatever has to be. Right करते जाएं, बाकी लोग. हाँ. ये आपका आ गया.
हो जाएगा तो बोलना गाइस. गाइस हो जाएगा.
थैंक यू.
फोटो मार.
सर सेंटर मध्ये आला सर. हां डन. क्या बात. डन. हाँ थैंक यू.
इसमें आए हैं हम, थोड़ा माहौल बनाओ. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
Please continue.
Hello guys, hi. Welcome to the Glamour Runway.
Thank you.
एक मिनट सोलो. काय नको काय किती करतो.
नेक्स्ट.
Thank you.
वही तो चलेगा. Wait.
Thank you. Sir, look here.
Thank you. हाँ? ठीक है ना?
क्या कुछ है कि तो कैमरा रखते हैं आज पैदल शो एक पैदल शो है ट्रैवल से जुड़े हुए हैं क्या कुछ है
वेल द ग्लैमर रनवे या ट्रैवल रियलिटी शो नाम से ही आपको एक यूनिकनेस पता चल रही है, नाम में ही एक सस्पेंस एलिमेंट है, नाम में ही एक ऐसा एलिमेंट है विच इज गोना क्रिएट too much of eagerness and anxiety and anxiousness in amongst everyone. लेकिन मैं कुछ बोलूँ उससे पहले I want to introduce our visionary producers, our visionaries who have come up with this beautiful show, Mr. Akash Shukla and Mr. Vishal Pandey. So before I speak anything, I want them to say something about it. It's their baby, it's their vision that they are bringing to life for everyone out here.
So the thing is that everybody loves traveling, and it is about travel, adventure, and drama. We are putting together a lot of interesting destinations where all contestants will be traveling. They will be enjoying the luxury runway, sundowner parties, and travel challenges from one location to another destination. When we reach, all the journey in between will be adventurous. There will be tasks, there will be challenges, but not the ordinary challenges. There will be drama, there will be tantrums, there will be fun, there will be comedy, there will be adventure at one place. That is about Glamour Runway, because we'll be traveling. So sometimes on the runway, sometimes on the road. It's more like we'll be traveling in a bus from one location to another location to another location for about 25 days. You will see the teaser in a while inside, and you will understand this is going to be the game changer in the reality show industry. Travel. There will be thousands of auditions across the world, majorly the Asian countries, and 50 people will be selected. And these 50 are part of the game, like every other reality show. And then every city will eliminate, and someone who survives the last city will be the winner. That's the game.
Should we divulge that there are going to be 4 countries taking part?
Yes.
Yes, 4 countries taking part.
ट्रैवल से पैदल शो करने का नहीं सोचा
क्योंकि ट्रैवल सबको पसंद है. आप एक बच्चे से पूछोगे, एक बूढ़े से पूछोगे, एक यंगस्टर से पूछोगे, सबको ट्रैवल पसंद है. एंड एवरीबडी inclined about adventure. लोग जा रहे हैं बंजी जंपिंग कर रहे हैं, लोग जा रहे हैं एडवेंचर एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं. So we are putting together this all at one place. People are partying also these days. These all sundowner parties. So we are taking all these 50 people who are experiencing the luxury of life and the parties, adventure, the travel, and most importantly the challenges and the tasks. जब हम टास्क की बात करते हैं तो नॉट ऑर्डिनरी टास्क की आपको कुछ आर्ट वर्क बनाना है, आपको कुछ 2 लोगों को मिलकर कोई एक्टिविटी करनी है. व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टास्क एंड चैलेंजेस, दैट मींस एक लोकेशन से दूसरे लोकेशन पे पहुंचने के लिए व्हाटएवर यू हैव टू डू. सो बेसिकली वी आर गिविंग द IPL वर्जन of passion. There will be teams like IPL. Every state will be representing a team, and they will be fighting, and one will be the winner.
Awesome.
In simple
So
words.
if I want to put it in simple words, nowadays if you go on to social media, there are people who want to get into fashion, there are people who want to get into lifestyle, there are people who want to get into travel, there are people who are like, we want to participate in a reality show. So here we are coming up with everything together. You love traveling, we have it for you. You love fashion, we have it for you. You love lifestyle, we have it for you. You love watching reality show, बट व्हाट हैपेंस, आपको अलग अलग रियलिटी शो में अलग अलग चीज़ें देखने को मिलती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल एक में ड्रामा देखने को मिलता है, एक होता है जहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ फैशन देखने को मिलता है, एक होता है जहाँ पे आपको बस ट्रैवलिंग के बारे में, ट्रैवलिंग इनटू द वाइल्ड एंड ऑल देखने को मिलता है. बट हियर we are bringing
Everything together.
all the beautiful elements of entertainment together so that this becomes number one in entertainment
And,
world.
why people are watching reality shows? For the tantrums, for the drama, for the challenges, for the adventure. We are putting everything together,
Together,
and the
yeah.
talent as well. There will be runways, but runways not the ordinary style like walking on the ramp in the hotel banquet. Something which is outdoor in front of thousands of audiences. Let's say, imagine a beach in Goa where we are hosting like 10,000 people and this big runway.
Correct.
That's what we are talking about. So we are scaling up the fashion with the show. Okay. So criteria, there are two criteria. One criteria is we are auditioning across the country, in fact across the Asia Pacific countries as well. And a lot of contestants will be participating online. We will be taking city auditions, we'll be bringing them in the show. And again, we will not be just doing through auditions. There will be a lot of celebrity judges who will be team leaders, and they will be part of the game as well. So one, we will be auditioning across the country, and we'll be refining the talent. We'll be finding people who are actually passionate about glamour, fashion, and the travel. And then we'll be bringing celebrities also who will be representing their own teams. So for an example, UP will have their own team. Other states, the Maharashtra will have their own team. That's a surprise. I can't give you everything right now, but this will be at a place where world will watch it, not just the India. This is going to be a world entity.
Yeah, because in one line, I want to say that we are here to break the stereotype of any kind of entertainment.
Yes.
When you talk about entertainment, you talk about reality. When you talk about reality, you talk about entertainment. But here, we are going to break the stereotype and get the kind of entertainment that everyone is going to look forward to. Let me tell you, ये entertainment की दुनिया का ड्रामेबाज entertainer होने वाला है.
Why fashion shows only on the ramp? Why are we not breaking this stereotype? If I'm standing here representing my fashion, what do I have to do? Walk on the ramp? I mean, that should be a way, but that should not be only the way. So we are making the fashion in a casual way, in the form of partying, in the form of challenges and tasks. Everywhere the fashion should be, but not just the runways. Runway will be part, and this show will bring you the grand runway of the world.
आपने कहा कि इसमें सेलिब्रिटी जजेस होंगे, तो कुछ नाम रिवील करो या कुछ
Not now. We
Uh,
cannot disclose the name.
Maybe we will host another press conference for that. She is with me. She's also a celebrity. She hosted a reality show twice, I guess. Once. So we already have celebrities. One is in front of you, and come. We
Like a
have
Mumbai team.
Indian Idols.
Like a Mumbai team.
Think of it as come. Kapil, come here. Kapil is runner-up for Indian Idol 4. Kapil Thapa, come here. You talked about celebrities we have. Kapil Bhai will be there representing music in the reality show.
मैं सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस कहना चाहूँगा
आ जाओ. सेंटर में आ जाओ.
मैं सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस कहना चाहूँगा ये पूरी टीम को और मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि मेरे लिए भी नया एक्सपीरियंस है ये सब देखने के लिए.
Yes, yes.
वो
Adventure.
आकाश भाई
आप सब
बताएंगे.
आज एक ही दिन पूछ लो सब कुछ. हाँ, हमारे लिए कुछ तो रखिए, कुछ
Adventure,
secret.
friendships,
कुछ सच-
passion, parties. और क्या बचा है? That's all. आप तुम
So yeah, if I want to put a glamour runway, a travel reality show in a nutshell, it's like travel meets fashion, fashion meets adventure, adventure meets talent, and the talent is getting an opportunity to be a part of a reality show that is gonna break all the stereotypes across the world, because मुझे नहीं लगता है पूरे वर्ल्ड में कहीं पे भी ऐसा एक भी reality show है that is getting all these beautiful aspects of entertainment under one roof, and that is what the Glamour Runway is all about.
हाँ
अच्छा।
बिल्कुल हो जाए ये बनता है
तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे, कि यार जो भी तूने कैसे किया रे, जिया को मेरे बांध ऐसे लिया रे, उलझ के यूं ना सुलझ मैं सकूं, सवेरों का मेरे तू सूरज लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे. Thank you.
Okay. So we have with us an actor. She has been a child actor from Nepal. Since we talked about 4 countries, so one of the countries is Nepal. And Yangshu, come here. And she also, when we talk about singing, she is a good singer and actress from Nepal. बचपन से act कर रही है. नेपाल की बड़ी फिल्मों में उन्होंने act किया है. Come, you also have to sing.
Hi everyone. I'm very excited. Actually मुझे विशाल भैया और आकाश भैया ने अप्रोच किया था और मैं इंडिया में बहुत मज़े कर रही हूँ. I'm from Nepal by the way, so I'm really excited for this show और I hope सब कुछ अच्छा होगा, अच्छा जाएगा. Sorry?
How much you are traveling?
Travel.
A lot. I mean, I love traveling with my bhaiya. So a lot.
अच्छा गाना Yangshu से सुनो. She also sings. चलो.
Okay. लग जा गले कि फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से. Thank you.
इंडिया आपको तहे दिल से गले लगाने के लिए तैयार है.
So one of the contestants we revealed. We were not supposed to. We were in Nepal team. Yangshu from Nepal.
Thank you.
Done. Sanjit bhai.
Our chief guest, Miss Archana Kochar. And with Miss Archana Kochar and the very gorgeous Preeti Soni, ladies and gentlemen. A huge round of applause for our golden guys. Do I need to say that they are our golden guys? Everyone knows them, everyone loves them. They are here with so much of enthusiasm, with so much of bling, and with so much of unstoppable power of glamour. So glamour की बात हो और आपकी बात ना हो ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता. Maybe felicitate our wonderful golden boys as well, please. Mr. Sanjay Gujjar, Mr. Sunny Vakchure, and Miss Preeti Soni, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to